What is going on, guys? It's Nolan with Black Sheep again. Hope y'all are doing fantastic. Me been busy right now. I got some stuff going on, projects going on. I'm taking some other videos. I got one coming up on doing some tuning. We're going to be doing some tuning with a carbureted car using a Ballinger AFR meter and a Tuner Nerd knock detecting system. So that video is coming up. I'm in the works. It's in the works right now. I am in the process of recording this. I had to change over the exhaust on the car as well. So that will be coming up shortly after this one. But so far, guys, I've been busy. I have taken video of stuff here and there. I do have some footage of this 2014 Ford that I was doing a valve cover on. It's a 1.6 liter turbo. Job is pretty straightforward, though complicated, not complicated, but it seems overly complicated for a valve cover, but it is what it is. So that was already done and gone. I'm still working on that black F250. It was going to be picked up. I told the customer the AC wasn't working. He wanted it done. So I went ahead and did a compressor, receiver dryer, orifice tube, flushed the system out, and you know, all that good stuff. So in the process of that, guys, the one connection, the one seized nut that I ran into was the receiver dryer to the evap. That thing was seized, and I got some video here, and I'll show you that here a little bit. So for right now, guys, I'm basically just gonna roll this footage that I got going on right now, and we'll get to it. Alright, my friends, so after this high-speed footage, there's going to be a battle ensuing on this FoRdS 250. That's going to be the footage of me having to basically grunt that nut off, which didn't work, or I tried to eat it up and that didn't work, so I eventually had to go setting it. So if y'all want to see that, stick around, skip forward and whatnot, guys. Other than that, if you're learning anything, if you're finding anything interesting, if you're enjoying the content, if you're getting anything from anything, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, guys, so you can help me grow this channel so I can start putting out some better content, maybe, you know, bigger things in the future. So guys, I appreciate it again, everybody that's watching, and y'all take it.
Alright guys, so as you can see, all the crap that put me through. This was completely seized and rusted. I had to cut, and I got into the threads there, but I think I'll be alright. I had to cut slits in the actual nut, peel that top layer off, and I'll put a picture in. I had to peel that top layer off just to get the thing to turn, because there's no way this was coming off. It was full of rust and corrosion. Right now I got the last bolt, well, the hardest bolt, not the last bolt, the hardest bolt on the bottom side of the compressor. Take those other two off. I'll take the manifold off, take the belt off, get the compressor out, and replace it. So this truck has been a nightmare. Alright, so here is the piece that I had to cut. As you can see, this is actually the first time I've ever had this much trouble, and I've done quite a few of these. What do I do with that other piece? Oh, well, screw it. I don't need that other piece. Y'all get the idea. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna keep knocking this out. Try to get this done today. Just got to flush the system out, get that compressor out of there, put it all back together, vacuum, and charge it. So other than that, I'll see y'all in a little bit.